What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Life Matters. Today, we're diving deep into the future, a future powered by AI. We're breaking down the top 10 high-income AI skills to master by 2025. It's about understanding the transformative power of AI across industries. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, AI is changing the game. Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future deep dives. First up, we've got the machine learning engineers, the architects of AI. They design, develop, and deploy algorithms that make machines learn. They're giving machines a brain to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions. The applications are insane, from personalized recommendations to fraud detection systems. Companies are scrambling to hire skilled machine learning engineers. Platforms like Coursera and Udacity offer resources to get you started. Data scientists find insights in massive data sets. We're in a world overflowing with data, and businesses need meaning. Data scientists sift through noise, identify trends, and turn data into intelligence. Companies use this insight to make smarter decisions and gain a competitive edge. Now, if you're someone who thrives on pushing the boundaries of what's possible, then an AI research scientist might be your calling. These are the pioneers, the innovators, constantly exploring new frontiers in AI. We're talking about cutting-edge research in areas like deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Their work is the foundation upon which all other AI applications are built. It's a field that demands a deep understanding of mathematics, statistics, and computer science. But for those who dare to explore the unknown, the potential for groundbreaking discoveries is limitless. Let's talk robots, people. Robotics engineers are at the forefront of integrating AI into physical systems. They're building the robots that will automate tasks, enhance productivity, and reshape industries. Think about it. From manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and exploration, robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable. And it's the robotics engineers who are writing the code and designing the hardware that brings these intelligent machines to life. This field requires a blend of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and of course a strong foundation in AI principles. Now let's shift gears and talk about the strategic side of AI. AI product managers are the bridge between the technical wizards and the business world. They're the ones who understand both the power of AI and the needs of the market. Their job is to define the vision for AI products, oversee their development, and ensure they deliver real value to users. They're constantly thinking about user experience, market trends, and the ethical implications of AI. It's a role that demands a unique blend of technical understanding, business acumen, and a knack for anticipating future trends. Ever wonder how self-driving cars see the road or how facial recognition works? That's the magic of computer vision. Engineers develop algorithms that enable machines to see and interpret images. The applications are mind-blowing, from medical imaging to augmented reality experiences, teaching machines to perceive the visual world. Next up, we have the NLP engineers, the language masters of the AI world. NLP stands for natural language processing, and it's all about enabling machines to understand and communicate with us in our own language. Think about it. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, chatbots that provide customer support, and even language translation tools, they all rely on NLP. These engineers are developing algorithms that allow machines to process text, interpret meaning, and even generate human-like language. It's a field that's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in human-computer interaction. As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. That's where AI ethicists come in, the moral compass of the AI revolution. They're the ones grappling with the big questions surrounding bias, fairness, and accountability in AI systems. Their role is to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly without perpetuating existing inequalities or causing harm. They work with developers, policymakers, and the public to establish guidelines and frameworks for ethical AI development. It's a relatively new field, but it's rapidly gaining importance as we navigate the societal impact of AI. Now, not every company has the resources to build their own AI teams from scratch, and that's where AI consultants come in. They're the AI Sherpas, guiding businesses on their AI journey. They analyze a company's needs, identify areas where AI can make a difference, and help implement the right AI solutions. Think of them as the translators between the technical world of AI and the business world. They need to have a deep understanding of AI technologies, as well as the ability to communicate complex concepts to non-technical audiences. Last but not least, we have the AI trainers, the coaches of the AI world. They're responsible for feeding AI models with data and fine-tuning their performance. Think of it like training a dog, but instead of fetch, you're teaching a machine to recognize patterns and make predictions. As AI becomes more sophisticated, the role of the AI trainer will only become more crucial. So there you have it, 10 high-income AI skills that are shaping the future. If you're looking for a career path that's both challenging and rewarding, AI offers a world of opportunity. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And be sure to check out the resources mentioned in the description below to start your own AI learning journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.